Hello. Okay, good day to everyone. Thank you for coming into this channel of Precise Trader. Okay, today this is going to be a weekly market outlook, which is going to be like every Monday from today, and we will be discussing on all the majors and the spot gold. Okay, basically we would be telling you what are the key events to look for and what how we can look for any opportunities to trade and how we can go about it. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose solely to who you are do and use the information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade with your broker before you put in your trade. Okay, and also do take note for YouTube users. Okay, we are opening up our services further, and we are going to give daily market insight twice a day on WhatsApp or Telegram. And please take down the number. This number is +65 9 444 2 333. So what we would suggest is send us your contact details, meaning your name and number, send a WhatsApp, and we will be saving your number, and we will be giving you these updates regularly on WhatsApp and Telegram. And we are also starting this weekly market outlook, which is every Monday, 15 hours, and this is what we can look for over the week. And we are providing live signals 13 hours, 17 hours, and we are also going to have a follow-up on the signals from Tuesday to Friday. Basically, what it does is this would have a follow-up on how the trades we are doing and how we can manage the trade. And we are also providing a weekly twice news trading and twice live signals at 22 hours. That means during the US sessions. And we are also going to start once a month learning the system, and this would be the last Friday of the month, which means like next Friday, we will be fixing the time, and we will be telling you the system and how it works and how we can go about. And we are also planning to start the workshop. Okay, this is also once a month event, and this is the first Saturday of the month, and this is on the Saturday, and this is about 20 hours, and this would be learning together as a group. And also this is uh, this is in fact eventually this is going to be for a fee, but first time we are giving it for free for you to test it out and for you to find what is so special about our system. Okay, now we move forward into the weekly outlook. So this weekly outlook, basically you need to understand that this weekly outlook, what are the key data that is announced. Okay, this is, you need to know overall what is going to be for the week, then we can pay attention to that currency. That would be one way to maximize our returns and also maximize our opportunity. So in fact, today being a Monday, we have all this flash manufacturing PMI. Euro is already out, pound is already out, so we are expecting from the US. Okay, then tomorrow, okay, we have Australian interest rate announcement, and of course the forecast is uh, they are not expected, the bank is not expected to cut. So this is going to be an opportunity. So as a result, we can trade or we can look into Aussie dollar. This would be one of the thing. And after that, BOJ governor is also going to speak, and followed by US CB consumer confidence and Richmond manufacturing index from the US. Okay, so now we take it as Aussie. We are going to concentrate. So the next one would be Aussie CPI, which is out on Wednesday, and Canadian early in the morning, Canadian BOC governor is going to talk, and followed by US new home sales and crude oil inventories. Okay, on Thursday we have a Swiss SNB interest rate announcement, which is the forecast is the the market is expecting a 1/4% cut. Okay, this is also would be a market which we can focus, and followed by we have a US final GDP. Okay, GDP, unemployment claims, and we have a durable goods and orders. Okay, so this is the thing, and we also have on the late night around 21:20 we have Fed chairman giving a talk. Okay, followed by pending home sales. Okay, then I think we have a Treasury Secretary. Yeah, Treasury Secretary Yellen is also giving a speech on Thursday. Okay, Friday. Okay, we have a Canadian GDP and US core PCE price index. Okay, and revised US UOM consumer sentiment. So these are the key data that is going to be out for a week. And as of now, we make it like we have to have a focus on Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. These two will be one of the key markets to look or pay attention to, followed by other markets whereby we see whether we have any so-called um, any opportunity, any breakout or anything, right? So now let's go into the system. Then we identify what would be the key markets to look for, or the key markets to trade, and and the opportunities for us to see. Okay, when we look at euro dollar, okay, euro dollar, okay, what is happening now is right now we are seeing a congestion or range trading. And in fact, the previous day high and low was 11070 and 11190. Okay, this is going to be the range. And if you look at the previous week, okay, the previous week is between 11070 and 11205, or even 111 11190, and max is 11000. So in other words, okay, this week we are expecting it to be either a range trading within 11000 to 190, or even 11205. So this is going to be the range. Okay, and since last week was an up, so we make it as an upside bias. Okay, what do we mean by that? So that means, okay, we would be looking to buy near 110, anywhere near that level, and we are expecting a range play for this week within this level, with an upside bias, means with a high chance of breaking higher. And this is what the trend map is telling us, and this is what we should be doing based on the trend map. Okay, next we look at PT zones. Okay, we look at all these three tools to get our information. Okay, basically what are all these three tools is trend map, PT zones, dashboard, and followed by the chart finally, right? So these are the key tools which we use in our decision day in and day out. Okay, now when look at the PT zones. Okay, the PT zones, what is telling you us is, okay, this weekly, this 111 is is a benchmark level or key level, and once it breaks, in fact, it's trading near this level. If it breaks, then there are no more buyers on this market. Okay, meaning that means it's only sell, and we are expected just like all this. In fact, on the daily, three forces of sell to be pointing down, so we expect the market to move lower. Okay, this is on the weekly. But on the monthly is concerned, okay, there is a strong support. Okay, there is a strong support. We have two buying forces, one selling force, and there is a strong support near, I would say, on the R7 or R5 level. Okay, of course, we need to know what is that level, and of course, we would be sharing you on the thing. Okay, when we look at the previous week also there is a huge support. Okay, this is at is trading at RC1 and RL4. So basically this is also telling us that, okay, there is a strong support and we wouldn't say that this market has already turned down or what, but still, we look to buy near that level, and of course, we will get the level finally when we go into the dashboard. Okay, overall, okay, like as what the euro the weekly outlook is, we are expecting the market to trade between 11070 to 11190. Okay, this would be your first call. But of course, if that 11070 breaks, then we may see uh, the 1100. Okay, so these are the key levels to look for and do. Of course, when we go into the dashboard, okay, we go into the dashboard. Okay, this is going to give you the overall picture. Okay, I hope you can see all these levels. So in fact, the current month low is 11000. Okay, and current week low is 11085, and current day low is 11085. So this market is testing the lows, but we need to know whether it's going to be a major turn down or it's going to be a opportunity to go for a buy, right? So we look at it. Okay, we go straight, since this is going to be uh, a weekly outlook, so we go straight into a weekly chart, weekly dashboard. So basically what this is telling me is, okay, we are seeing now two forces pointing on the selling side. So that means market weakness is expected, and 11020 is a critical level, and if it breaks, then the market is going to go lower towards 10940. Okay, so this is what the market is telling me. The same thing when I look at the previous week, of course, it's telling me the same answer, 11030 and 10950. Okay, so now I can conclude, okay, what is to be expected on the euro dollar for the week based on the system. So that means we are not expecting the price to go beyond right now. Okay, this is a 11175 current high. Most likely this might be the high for the week, most likely. Even if it breaks, then we are not expecting the price go beyond 11215 and 11240. Okay, so if I look at on the previous week, it's giving me a similar answer. So overall, my call would be I would be selling and holding euro, and the high may be seen at 11175, which might be the high for the week, and we believe that the 11020 will be tested and 110 will be tested. If it breaks, then we may see the price moving towards 10940 or 50. So this is the max. So that meaning to say, overall, we expect bearish on euro dollar for the week, and we expect the low to break, and we expect the price to test 111 11000. If it breaks, we may see 10950. Okay, now let me double confirm with the chart, and finally I can give you a call. Okay, let me change the screen. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm not able to change the screen. Okay. The chart I think is giving a similar answer. Okay, let me try to share the chart one last time. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Okay. So I think we are able to see the chart. Okay. So when we look at the chart, in fact, we look at the chart, this is giving us a maximum call of 10950 or 60. Okay. So overall, I think based on uh, the system and the chart, okay, what we expect for euro dollar is we conclude that the high may be seen, or even if the market is pushing one more time up, you know, we may see 11215. Okay, this is one more thing, but most likely we may have seen the high. So expect the price to push lower, and we may see 11070 tested. Once it breaks, we should see 11000 tested also. If it breaks, then we should see a maximum of 10950 60. That's it. So this is the call for this week. So if you are a swing trader, what I would suggest is try to go for a short. Okay, try to sell, hold for the week. At least we can get about 150 pips. Okay, so this is for euro dollar. So when we look into the pound, okay, pound, okay, right now this is trading at 133. Okay, this has just moved into the selling zone, and we see a strong support, okay, at 132.20 and 132. Okay, let me share the screen. Sorry. Okay, so we see a strong support at 132 or even 131.80, 131.60. So right now this market is already moving into the selling zone, and there is a strong support. So we expect this market to go down. Okay, go down and hold short, and let me see whether the high may be seen. Okay, current high, okay, current week high is 33.25. Okay, this is lower than previous day high. Okay, if you see, then chances are this is also in a similar situation. Okay, let me see on the chart. Okay, so we should be holding a sell on this near that 33 level, put a stop above the high, and we should see comfortably, we should see 132. We should see 132, 131.80. Okay, and if we are lucky, we may see slightly lower, but maximum we don't see the price going beyond 131.20. Okay, then 21.20, which is previous week low. Okay, this previous week low. So we should be seeing the price moving lower. Then we should be getting a target and hold short for pound. Okay, for dollar yen. Okay, we look at dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen is weekly is also up. You know, previous range is between 139.60 to 144 half. Okay, 144.50. Okay, and when we look at the PT zones, I think we have two selling forces coming into play. That means more sellers are coming into play, so we are expecting this to test the support. So we should be holding short on this, and of course, let's see how this thing is on the weekly. Okay, we have like two forces coming into play. So once it breaks that 143.35, we should see the price moving lower. Okay, moving lower, and this might be a free fall because there are two forces selling here, and we should see the price moving towards 140.20. Okay, 140.20. So this is, and we are expecting the high to hold as of now, and we believe that we may get a strong fall on the downside, okay, towards 142.30 and 141.60. Okay, and most likely the high has already been seen, because this is the high we see. Current day high is more or less equivalent to previous day high, and we are trading near the low, so the best thing would be hold short. So on that note, okay, if you see that since dollar yen is strengthening, yen is strengthening, and euro dollar and pound dollar on a weakness, so euro yen, pound yen might give a big returns or big fall. So this would be another way to look at, and another cross to trade. And of course, we would be giving you all this indications and signals as we move forward. Okay, so hold. It's best to hold yen crosses short, because I think we might be a big move, because the crosses are moving in the opposite direction. That means the dollar strength is happening and yen is strengthening. So the yen crosses would give a good returns. Okay.